System users. Under System users, you have to enter persons of your WE system or your company who shall be allowed to enter the RepTool. Here, a demo user was pre-installed to give you access to the RepTool. You shall, as soon as possible, replace this demo user by the RepTool administrator of your WE system or company. If you press Add User, a new empty line will appear and you may fill in data. The surname and the forename will be shown in the menu header when having logged in. Phone and email contact data are optional, but if you want to use the mailing feature of the RepTool, see Configuration, you have to add the email address. Let's do. Another one, Amy. System users will see all reports from all treatment partners, and they may change nearly all information about or in reports. So as RepTool administrator of your WE system or company, you should also have an eye on having the correct persons of your system or company having access. As administrator of the RepTool, you should keep a red book with logins and passwords provided to help out if anybody forgets them. You may decide to give persons limited rights, like to read only or controller rights, what means the right to see reports and to add controller remarks, but not to modify reports. Let's add a controller. With Submit, you save your entries. Users will be sorted to alphabetic order of the login. You will see that there is a delete option, but minimum one system user in the first line will be kept with no delete option, a security measure to keep a minimum of one access. A hint: if you want to delete the user in the first line, you have to change the login first, for example, adding set, and then you may delete the user.